My Bonnie, very famous song. I'm gonna play with clarinet in regular tempo. Let me explain the right hand. We are starting with one stretch. C, E, and also in complete measure. So the counting will be like this. 1, 2, 3. By the way, play legato. Stretch here, look. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, 1. Second line. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Rest, rest. Third line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Move like this. Then G. Let me do it one more time. I'm playing third line. Look what we have. C. F. Now we're compressing this distance. Putting my the thumb to D. And G. 4. F, G, A, fourth line, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, D thumb, 1, 2, 3, G, E, D, E, F. That's it. Also the left is a little bit complicated, but you can do it. We have waltz beat, 3, 4, pa, pa. Starting with F. Okay, this is new bass. B flat. B flat is below F. Sounds like this. So C, F, then it's coming B flat. Let's start one more time from the beginning. F, B flat. Back to the F, 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 jumping to the G, C, second line, F, B flat, F, jump, G, C, F, rest, rest, third line, F, B flat. This is a little bit tricky. You have to jump to the G. Maybe you can work a little bit slow this. So B flat, slide to the G, C, F, last line, B flat, jump G, C, I'm gonna play super slow with both hands. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G bass. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, hold it. Rest, rest. Third line. 1, 2, 3. Compress here the distance. B flat, G major, F, G, A. Continue very similar to the third line. B flat, jump on the bass. Okay, this is a little bit difficult song, so you have to work super slow, section by section. Many times right hand, maybe many times left hand, then put together, but super slow, section by section, part by part, measure by measure. Don't forget that you have a lot of stretches, everything is mentioned in the sheet music, but also you have a lot of tie notes. Pay also attention to the tie notes.